Hello students, welcome back to mathematics class. In our previous class, we learned the factorization method of square roots. Today our topic is to find the square root by using division method. So let's start. Let's take a number 8281. To find the square root of 8281, we first write the number like this. Our next step is to group the digits in pair starting from right to left. That means we mark pairs from units end. Here from units end the first pair is 81 and the next pair is 82. So we first mark 81 and then the second pair 82. We shall mark like this. You can see our next step is to take the first pair. Here the first pair is 82. So we take the first pair 82 and then find the perfect square equal or lower than 82. You all know a perfect square equal or lower than 82 is 81. 64 is also a perfect square and it is also less than 82, but it is not just lower than 82. The perfect square just lower than 82 is 81. So we shall take 81. You all know 9 square is equals to 81. So we have to take the number 9 and we shall write 9 in the left side. You can see. Now our next step is multiply above and below. Let's see. Multiply above means we have to multiply 9 with itself in the above. You all can see here in the left side this is 9 and the above another 9 and 9 nines are 81 and we shall write 81 just below 82. And what is the meaning of add below? Add below means we have to add 9, the left sided 9 with 9 and write like this. 9 plus 9 equals 18. So we shall write 18 and left space and draw a box here as you can see. Now our next step is subtract the product. So next we shall subtract 81 from 82 and get the number 1. Next we get the next pair down. Here the next pair is 81. So we get the pair 81 down. Our next step is to find draw the same box above and below. You all can see I have drawn the box above also. Next we have to find a number which I shall put in both the boxes, in the left box and in the above box, and the product will be 181. You all can see. So what is the number? Let's find. here the number is 1. So we shall write 1 on both the boxes and again get back to the third step, multiply above and below. So first multiplying 1 and 1 with 181, we shall get 181 again, and in the next step we shall add 1 with 181 and got the number 182. Next step is to subtract the product. So subtracting 181 from 181, we get the result 0. So the square root of 8281 is 91. This is the division process by which we can find the square root of any square number. Let's take another examples. Here, example 1, we have to find the square root of 625. So to find square root of 625, we first write 625 like this, and then we group the digits in pairs from right to left. So from the one's end, the first pair is 25 and the number left is only 6. There is no pair. Now we have to find the largest whole number which is similar or lower than the first number. Here the first number is 6 and the perfect square less than 6 is 4. That means 2 2s are 4. We shall write 2 in the left and in the above both, and then the product 4 will right below the 6. And next we have to add 2 below and get the result 4. Now we shall subtract 4 from 6 and get 2. In the next step, we shall bring down the second pair of digits. The second pair of digits is 25. Our next step is to find the unknown number to fill the box. Here you can see the unknown number is 5. So root over 625 is equals 25. Coming to the next example, root over 4489. So first we write 4489 in the similar way and group the digits in pair starting from right to left. You can see. Next we have to find, we take the first pair 44 and have to find the perfect square equal or less than 44. You all know 44 is not a perfect square. So perfect square less than 44 is 36. That means 6 square. So we have to write 6 in the left and in the above, and the product 36 below the digit 44. And next we have to add below. Adding 6 with 6 we shall get 12, and subtracting 36 from 44 we get 8. Next we bring down the second pair 89, you all see, and next the number in the box, and the magical number is 7, you all can see. So root over 4489 is equals 67. Coming to example 3, Here also I write the numbers like this and group the digits in pairs starting from right to left. Then we have to take the first pair. Here the first pair is 27, which is not a perfect square. So perfect square less than 27 is 25. That means 5 square. 5 5s are 25. So we have to write 5 in the left side and in the above both. And the product 25 we have to write below 27. And next we add 5 below and get 10. Next step, we shall bring down the second pair. Here second pair is 66. So we wrote 66. Next we have to find the magical number. Here you all can see 2. 2 is a magical number, and multiplying 102 into 2 we get 204, and again we add 2 with 102 and got 104. Next we have to subtracting 204 from 266 we get 62. Our next step is to bring the third pair down and find the again the magical number. Here the magical number in the box is 6 and got the result 526. Coming to example 4, we first group the digits in pairs starting from right to left. Next we have to find a perfect square equal or less than the first number or first pair. Here pair 2 is not there, so we have to take the first number, and this is a perfect square 4, so we write 2 in the left and in the above and add it 2 with it below. Next we bring down the second pair 66 and have to find the magical number. Here it is 1, so we have write 1 on both the above and beside 4. 41 ones are 41, and again adding this we get 42 and subtracting 41 from 66 we get 25. Next we bring the third pair down and find the magical number 6, and the answer is 216. Next, coming to example 5, it is also in similar process. You can see I have first grouped the digits in pairs starting from right to left, and next in similar process we have take the first number 6 and find the perfect square less than 6, that is 4, as 2 square is 4, so we have write 2 in the left and find the product of 2 and 2 as 4. Next in the similar process we have added 2 with 2 and subtracted 4 from 6. Next we bring down the second pair 0 5 and find the magical number 4. Next in similarly we added 4 with 44 and got 48, and subtracting 176 from 205 we got 29. Next there is a point. What shall we do with the point? We just put it in the above, as you can see. And next bring the third pair down as usual and find the magical number. It is 6. So the result is 24.6. So this was the division method to find square root. That's all today.